Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make oatmeal raisin cookies without sugar. First, gather your ingredients, focusing on natural sweeteners like ripe bananas or date paste. You'll need about 1 cup of mashed banana or half a cup of date paste for a standard batch. Ensure your oats are old-fashioned rolled oats for the best texture. We'll combine these with whole wheat flour, baking soda, and spices. For our sugar-free cookies, ripe bananas offer natural sweetness and moisture. Alternatively, date paste works wonderfully, providing a rich caramel-like flavor. You'll also need 1½ cups of old-fashioned rolled oats, 1 cup of whole wheat flour, and 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of cinnamon and a pinch of salt to enhance all those lovely flavors. Begin by mashing your ripe bananas or preparing your date paste. In a large bowl, combine your wet ingredients, then gradually mix in the dry ingredients until just combined. Be careful not to overmix. Gently fold in about 1/2 cup of plump raisins and any other additions like chopped walnuts. Drop spoonfuls onto a baking sheet and bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 12 minutes. For the best results, let your cookies cool completely on a wire rack. This helps them firm up and develop their full flavor. Store them in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 5 days, or freeze them for longer enjoyment. They're perfect for a healthy snack or a guilt-free dessert. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.